This is the most snow I've seen since I've been here. It's the end of April. I'm just glad yes! I'm going to a football match in the snow. So the football match was cold. Good thing I can layer like a champ. I even switched back to my winter coat. Although when I left my flat, I thought I'd overdone it. The sun was out and I almost went back for my sunglasses. Then I got on the Tuba rush hour and I knew I'd overdone it. I took off a couple layers before getting on the next train, but it was still too warm. And it looked so sunny and nice, and I was seriously regretting not going back for those sunglasses. Then 30 seconds after getting off the train, it started to snow. And that's where you came in. I had a lot of fun though. I met up with some strangers from the internet. Don't ask. Our tickets were for the terrace, which is the standing area. It worked pretty well. The section was sold out, but everyone was trying to crowd under the half of the terrace that had cover. It's tight, but the extra body warmth was nice. The teams playing were AFC Wimbledon and Portsmouth? It was Portsmouth. Never heard of those teams? That's because they're in League 2, aka Tier 4. That's right, there are 4 tiers of professional football. And there were 4,799 people in the audience. What do you call an audience in sports? I don't know. All I got is audience. Anyway, I don't know if Tier 4 games typically sell out or if it's just because it was Wimbledon. Basically, there used to be another Wimbledon team, but the owner moved them to Milton Keynes, which does not happen in football. The fans were pissed, so they started a fan-owned club so that it could never be taken away from them again. And in only 9 years, they climbed their way from the depths of Tier 9 into the professional league. I didn't have to Google any of that. I know so much about this team. I know player names. I know player stats. I know where they are on the league table. I know when the playoffs start. I don't know when hockey playoffs are. I learned my facts almost exclusively by listening to Dear Hank and John, a comedy podcast about death with weekly news from Mars and AFC Wimbledon. Long story, but directly related to the internet strangers. I did learn a couple things at the game though. First, language. There was a lot, and it was fantastic. I took notes, none of which I'm comfortable reading on this vlog, but I do giggle every time I think of them. Second, you'd think growing up with a brother and best friend who played a ton of soccer, I'd know something about the rules. It was like watching a foreign language film. I could tell if the results were generally good or bad, but I was missing a lot of the details. I almost said details, and I do say trousers. This place is getting to me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Bye. Seriously though, they care so much. It was so much fun.